Unveiling the Mystery of the Lysosome. A deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we'll be exploring an intriguing word from the world of biology, lysosome. Whether you're a science enthusiast or simply curious about new words, this video is perfect for expanding your vocabulary and understanding complex concepts in a simple, engaging way. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of the lysosome together. A lysosome is a tiny yet mighty organelle found in many animal cells. Think of it like a special room in a cell that has a specific job. The word lysosome comes from two parts. Lyso, meaning dissolving, and some, meaning body. So, a lysosome is essentially a dissolving body within the cell. It's packed with enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. You can imagine it as a recycling center where waste gets transformed into useful materials for the cell. Lysosomes play a crucial role in cell health and maintenance. They digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses or bacteria. The enzymes within lysosomes can break down different types of biological molecules, including proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. By doing so, lysosomes not only clean up the cell but also provide it with building blocks for renewal. They're essential for various cellular processes, like autophagy, self-eating, where a cell recycles its own components. Lysosomes are vital for our overall health. Malfunctions in lysosomal activity can lead to lysosomal storage diseases, a group of disorders caused by the accumulation of undigested substances in cells. Examples include Tay-Sachs disease and Gaucher's disease. Understanding lysosomes helps researchers develop treatments for these conditions. It's fascinating how studying something so small can have huge implications in medicine and health. We hope this video has given you a clear and engaging understanding of what a lysosome is and why it's important in biology. Lysosomes may be tiny, but their impact on cellular health and medical research is enormous. Remember, learning new words and concepts not only enriches your vocabulary but also broadens your understanding of the world. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!